I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. That's public domain, right? I'm allowed to sing that. Happy Christmas, Reddit. I am participating this year in Reddit's Secret Santa. And we had a lot of discussions around here about what to give for the Secret Santa. And I came up with one that kind of surprised the team. This summer, or this fall at Silicon Valley Comic-Con, I walked the floor as Star-Lord, and as part of that, I made a pair of Star-Lord blasters. This is when I encountered the fact that Star-Lord's Volume 1 blasters are ginormous! They're humongous! They're beautiful, but they're like way bigger than I thought they were. This is a long way of saying that, like, I love the look of these guns, but I am not like obsessed about the actuality of them like I am sometimes about certain props. And that means my Secret Santa partner, AKA HungryBaconElephant on Reddit, this left Star-Lord blaster, this is your Secret Santa gift from me. Merry Christmas. I'm keeping the other one, so we've kind of got like those star-crossed rings forever.